President Baumia, the electric bus, no more branding with President Mahama. Interchange, no more the President Mahama anymore. Do you know what that means? It means you are struggling for validation. It means you are grappling for relevance. But Nanado, no, he has paid his dues. Nanado has paid his dues as a human rights lawyer. And so you see, start 2022, it was a confirmation of the global icon as a lawyer, as a human rights lawyer, as he has been. And you people did.
I was a woman about the Ghana and CMTV, so Bomb is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend notification that next time. Videos of this channel also submit to make some on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to from Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Padaroma. Now, Bomb is like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio works, being it sound, internet, lights, everything, but you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So now,
Nipa will bet negotiate BB, Ewo, Adiaba Ghana. Here, I Okujeto, I necessary a browning Gatiafra. Sakwa wage and honor here, Bomba or to two. Sakwa will bet my negotiation. Now, win him. I am not able to honor more. Yeah. But Nanado, His Excellency, a best. Every baby, we are Mumbe, Mumukurano, so pressure too much or can't pay. Emumu, so pressure too much or can't pay. So, I do some more. I, Emumu pressure baby or can't pay. And Nana, a true baby, and my young fat wo blessing, and come over you. William, we say 7 previous, say Yamiaton and Safra, dear. And no the enemy say, Obiano about fight amount. Passing an out Tiasi, and can we buy ya no issue, why you should let it. Now the court, what they call international bodies, no, they are come on. Someone say, I dare wait, date away, and I'm fighting here. And the Argentina media recognition, Kurano, Abia Mamma me. So now after a do baby, yes, Opposan Numua, and out in it now. And now pin and so, and now to say upon Jenyankasa, say our bobbies and our boa. And you do baby, you pay before penny for Yankasa Kakra. Because we are saying one. Everything be only pay you documented. Yeah, Ama. I have fat base here, Motia. Bibia Moya, Obeka say, Maya.
What's happy before penny for your money?
I may say, Aya, Omonia day, Omonke Kaomo, now Casa be one Casa be. Because reason is say, a mumu, a Tamekasa, a mumu Kurano, who pressure no our can obey. And you do baby, Yankasa. Because Nanado ultimate fight is I cause Kakraka we say. Na emu abrofo no mo challenge ne makura na nyane nyane yo mo de o ombe sabotage o ni nyina wa penetrate through na se ene ehun ade eba do mama no wa mobra no ono wote ho ade wodwene wa ye ne to ayapam enu nkwa na odwendwene ho ono kwaje samba we free check we udi obo kwasiafo no kwasiafo nte se shamo na mo se wo mote ase wo mo be record nta me boni din wa ha no on record no ko bo no ho obo anu hu se me so ye kwasia na wo mo nyina tie obo wo mo depending number bia ahun jo mama he ne mode mo me pa che jo mama o sha se da be e no de wie da be me se jo mama inse se o de badwen o de dwen ne to ho what they doing to one wa mo say according to information free or no ana so ye ba e say jo mama a free tray ko obu akwa unhu no office oko because what transfer can am to ya e tema busa sa question obi antimi nyima no me say jo mama eye koko anase bibia wura ho enti wono adwene be no enti ama say ya ku aka ye no ma nanso ade bi ho a eye fact base esan say aha eye record da ha say nti BBC da ha nti no esese ye kabini e ma wiase nyina ate say jo mama omo ba akokora wonya adwuma bia no deserve say ye bebo na ba so enti say MPP fo nyina be issue ayi bombe press conference abeka say Kwame George ye ma wamu a me de meka che say jo mama amu a me de ma ne say woto no ɛyɛ wo ya kotrafie ne miemia emalodi na fansu ehie miemia ne jai abodin bo a enye wo dia no ama mawie
Matidike fire me that say lady C you see asem si a god factor wa asem bi e yoka de bia god factor si asem si a wo no kre me wo me ne kre ena no kre na nkasa nkasa to ye den you can never untumi mfa no kre nsie forever that like si no kre wo di si a enye yie won so obi asokane ade a hye mpaase da you see and we have excerpts we have audios of these same people Professor Jampu any NDC4 station Radio XYZ they were kicking against it Nanado Shas you okoma sa speech here your boy wa hey 2022 these same people they kicked against it and they gave fire was in Nanado anytime Nanado you see the difference between President Mahama and Nanado they said Nanado he has been an international lawyer in France for how many years and some also about Ghana Nanado see Congo is it Congo see Nanado French this same man he rattle French like he rattle English it's Nanado ne who na to NDC for so and you see he's too brave for their liking and this really on my way more than any political party. I said it this morning. But never. Even President Rollins now, he could not. He didn't have the audacity to start this reparation, whatever. President Mills, he could not. Another President Mahama, he could not even think about it. So you see, Nanado audacity now, the commerce speech, it started shaking the world. It was a global banker. And you people didn't understand. And you see, your myopic thinking, one drink you think it is a one person walking. And this is for one drink you think it is a one person walking. Nana to shas here, what you are telling who or telling who and you see. There are videos I let me watch them and they are more president because he's grappling for relevance. President Mahama or full relevance anyhow as will be about or drowning. He's struggling for relevance or bread. I said he wants to be seen. President Mahama is struggling for validation. And Vice President Baumia, the electric bus, no more branding with President Mahama. Interchange, no with the President Mahama. Do you know what that means? It means you are struggling for validation. It means you are grappling for relevance. But Nanado, no, he has paid his dues. Nanado has paid his dues as a human rights lawyer. And so you see, start 2022, your fire, it was a confirmation of the global icon as a lawyer, as a human rights lawyer, as he has been. And you people didn't understand how many are not to work. You did politics with everything. Today you are here. Mustafa Bandi, you said we should give recommendation to who? We should commend who? For what? Speech now in 2022. Go and check your president or Mabena. None of them has the audacity like Nanado had.
Ama.
Tell me president for no Mabani. Which of them has the audacity? And Nanado Nyayo the workers ask them no. I enunti and we will have the fruit of the labor. Are you people serious? Are you serious?
Bagmande na enra okoka che disabled for say omokra omunye djuma anye no.
Exactly. And no say you issue press release and commend the President Mahama. President Mahama audacity be no wo. He's struggling for relevance. President Mahama yet to say akwara ya abandon na.
Ama so ha ho. Ama ha ho pa. Mustafa Bandi we when this we
wa bra yura President Mahama onim ehon wa na se yese yete oman mu ne ye promote culture de a adanti na ye nkyerem na ye ma akora agenzifo ne nhunu se sa askwa interchange ya enam ha ya ene amako hina akọ pepenti ababa penti hu a wo se ye mo na baso no e NPP aban yura President Kofo ene si yo se wo picture bi de tare ho de a ene enka yese yura President Kofo picture ne de tare ho because onu na si ya wo ye den wo wie ye say ye picture the atare ho a enye Yura Mahama so onimu ya onko de krombole no onko si interchange ni bi wo ho owi a na ye de picture atare ho NDC for the see who when you said modern pictures baba tare project MPP aban na ayeden aye na me de ye me ya ne say saa de we nyina no wasa nyankofo bi no mu defend am akohene adan ya wa ya de against da adi as regional minister we nya ade a ye betima aka say wa ya ese ye bona kaso because adwuma we me kwa me Japan wa medina hai me ya metima akwa kosuki fans na akope paint na dia ba be paint o say me so ma ya de ne enya journalist obi mu a omo di omafu no omanu achi no ma ba be gina ha say ye mo na baso because wa ya de because of kakra e dia man adi e dia be na enkoso sa. We should get serious as a country. Yes, in Chrome school now about beeping to my idea, or much more talent. And yet, Yamasa and Crown or Monso more SHS one. Our Monsono, or more electrical students and all. Young for Monco so for life. Interchange nothing from a Cambridge, Suntreso, Sad Cosia Boa, street right away in a bien way, Juma. It's young fast high electrical students, and so alcohol. Now Monsono, Enco fix it, and yes, street light at home because almost electrical students, almost a yard. Say, I say, yeah, more baswa, and then Crana. Oh, my baby is painting where I can. You must say, I must say, a young wine and mass, I'm cranny school free. I and the young almost on passo. And don't that's all your mind, but pan out to one argument who say, MPP are buying and a yard buying or no or into the future. Nansan Cananado and 4 man go free SHS. Ah, Massa Uncle, your man free JHS, and come up with no home up for. And I'm going to be idea way now they see a crazy because idea way a DC for Juma, a assemblyman for Juma. So Papa Siki fans, Akope paint, and the Abani, the Ababe painty project. You are President Kofo, and people are buying a year, and why are they? Nay, we are, yes, and young Kofo, Yemfa Mahama picture, and Taron, Wabra, yes, you promote to culture. You are President Kofo, I will see side interchange with Frasantimum on a static project new year, on the intimate picture more. Many of them got for mommy answering you say. And you ma NDC for ye nyina ye flakadam. Eye for the optics. Omunye bibi fufuro bia. Enti am akohene. Ade we nya ade a wa ye ese ma credit ewo.
So entrone propaganda NDC for especially Sameja Infini John Jenapo. Eyetia Dr. Baomia for 3 solid years. Kontompo nsema nsema enimu a wo mo kato na so digbu na enimu asise ni den twen na bo so. For 3 solid years about multi-purpose that my yeye wo poalugu eno ape. Within 1 minute, Yankopon at the expose NDC for or the go many as what NDC for home to mama we are seeing who said NDC for Jenny Papa. NDC for 3 moves, NDC for ye be different. NDC ni beti mi kumu sumu kumu kra ekumu ni pedia. NDC ni beti mi achira samato so a we wanu bia enye ye da. That is what they did to Dr. Baomia, but eno ape. Yankopon you almost one hand. Enra John Jenapo. Energy Minister call Parliament Assurance Committee enim. An honorable editing Busane say more opposition. I must say Dr. Baomiani MPP for Abo Poalugu multi-purpose dam project in Mukrono. And then so I have come to realize that NDC as a party, naturally, organically, originally, more attracting Kwasia for. Say be omo muntimi use so mad, omo low IQ. And party so deliberately it take it time and make it conscious effort to recruit too. Say be omo Jimmy, omo ba social media metimi aka nkwasya asem. Na omo train you omo wi na omo to omo social media say omo be di atam na omo nka asem fun. Emfa ansem ankrofo post about NDC party na NDC aban na enko yi emo. Because na be a video bi na me chiriche mu how NDC aban in 1 year pay. About besian $11.39 billion US. Yenim ni omo de aye na message obenya aboche na wako video no na wahwe comment section ho no na NDC for no omo be comment ye no omo kae ebi se NDC mbo obesia da ebi kra se menchire bank ko a NDC aban ne bo obesia ebi nso timi ka se the entire 2025 no NDC aban na amfa any loan agreement and call parliament for approval anti omo mbo obesia da che se ignorant comment that say be yes, be names. Comment akoda onim hwe kra make it say Jimmy. But you see, we free education am dey ba mom. This is the last time I will do this. Inti muntie na muntie ni. Most NDC more besia that since I'm mobile bem. But few weeks ago, Atofo Senior Finance Minister be can say under this useless NDC government, so mo betimi atua government workers kakra na just o makwa akobo besia. Now in 1 year, we bought business 1.17 billion Ghana cedis. Eddie tria abaya juma ya fuake tria pe. That's it, like paying of government workers' salary. 17 billion Ghana cedis converted by US dollars. We are talking about somewhere 1.7 billion US dollars. But that is not even the point. The Bible tell how NDC are buying about 11.9 billion US dollars a cano. Akufo-Addo efiri abem. Akufo-Addo efiri abem. Na your debt stock and number 48